Subtraction of money. We subtract money in the same way as we subtract ordinary numbers. Example. Shankar bought a packet of rice for rupees 45.25 paise. He had rupees 50.50 paise with him. How much money will be left with him? Solution. Amount that will be left with Shankar equals rupees 50.50 paise minus rupees 45.25 paise. To subtract in short way, we write the two amounts vertically in such a way that dots lie exactly below each other. Now we subtract the numbers and put dot in the sum exactly below the dots. So, amount that will be left with Shankar is rupees 5.25 paise. Example. Tanya bought a sandwich for 5 rupees and 50 paise. She had 40 rupees. How much money will be left with her? Solution. Amount that will be left with Tanya equals 40 rupees minus 25 rupees and 50 paise. Here, note that there are no paise in 40 rupees. So we write 2 zeros with 40. So amount that will be left with Tanya is 14 rupees and 50 paise.